This video is to tell you about Snap 25 online workshop that we are going to hold in the first week of December. Right? So we've been training students for more than 23 years, which includes exam like Snap, CAT, etc. We also train for interview preparations. So if you are interested in any of the workshops of SAP, Snap, or the interview preparation, do contact us. Now, how is Snap different from CAT? I mean, the logic section is completely different. I mean, there's no commonality as such. Verbal too, the majority of the questions are different from CAT. I mean, no RCs, it's more speed based, even maths is speed based. So focus of Snap is speed. I mean, you will not even know when your paper started and when it ends. It's a 1 hour paper. By the time you start, you solve a few questions, you realize half the time is over. So strategy plays an important role in cracking the exam. How you strategize a paper, how you plan your paper makes a lot of difference. So the workshop will be held from 1st December to 5th December. It will be 8 p.m. onwards, around 10 to 15 hours of workshop. The focus will be shortcuts and strategy. How to solve things fast, strategy of the paper. My course will be run by Patrick and Rochelle. So focus will be how to go about tracking the examination with a proper frame of mind. I mean, a lot of people go for the SNAP exam after CAT without proper preparation. It doesn't help. SNAP is quite different from CAT in the way you approach the paper. Though maybe the fundamentals could be the same, your verbal has to be strong, you need to be good at maths, but the way you approach will make a lot of difference in the exam. We do have courses. We have a Snap workshop, test series, and videos. I mean, if you want to join, you can contact us. You can either go to prep.patrick100.com, the purchase page, or you can contact us at these numbers or support@pointacademy.com, and we will revert back to you. Right? So if you're writing any of the MBA entrance exam, do subscribe to the channel. We come up with a lot of videos that will help you with regards to preparation. Thank you.